Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Helldivers 2 timeout/connection error. First of all, check server status. Visit twitter.com helldivers2 or status.arrowhead.gg to check if the servers are down. If servers are under maintenance or capped, you may just have to wait. Restart your game in router. Fully exit the game. Click Alt plus F4 or Task Manager. Restart your Wi-Fi router/modem. Relaunch Steam and the game. Use a wired Ethernet connection. Use Ethernet if possible, or move closer to your router and avoid crowded Wi-Fi bands. Disable IPv6 on your PC. Some players report Helldivers 2 doesn't handle IPv6 well. Steps: open Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, Adapter Settings. Right-click your active network, go to Properties and check Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6. Click OK and restart your PC. Allow Helldivers 2 through Firewall, open Windows Security, Firewall and Network Protection. Allow an app through Firewall. Click Change Settings. Find Helldivers 2 in the list. Make sure private and public boxes are checked. If not, click Allow another app and manually add the .exe from Steam Apps Common Helldivers 2. Verify game files via Steam. Go to Steam Library, right-click Helldivers 2, go to Properties, click on Installed Files, verify integrity of game files, let Steam fix any corrupted files. Change DNS to Google. Go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing, Adapter Settings, right-click your active connection, go to Properties, click IPv4 Properties, select Use the following DNS server address and enter Perfet 8.8.8.8 alternate 8.8.4.4, save and reboot. Use a VPN. If your region has unstable routing to the game servers, try a VPN like Proton VPN, Windscribe, NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Port forwarding. If you're not a strict NAT or behind a complex route setups, forward these ports UDP 3478-3480 20000-27050. Many connection errors in Helldiver 2 are on Arrowhead servers, not your PC. If none of the above helps, wait and try again later or join their official Discord server forums to see ongoing updates.